If you read the description of this problem, it is told that the lengths of the triangles are in AP. Let us consider that this is the triangle. Let us consider that this is the triangle ABC. This length of the triangle, we know how to mark the sides of the triangle, right? The side opposite to the angle is written by the corresponding lowercase alphabet. So this is nothing but B and this is nothing but C. Is it okay? This is nothing but C. Okay. The sides of the triangle ABC are in AP is told in the problem. ABC are in AP. So I can say B minus A is equal to C minus B. So 2B is equal to A plus C. And it is also told in the problem that the greatest angle is double the smallest angle. Let me say that the smallest angle is A, or let me say that the largest angle is A. Let me say that this is the largest angle. It's told in the problem, the greatest angle is double the smallest angle. So let me say that the greatest angle is double the smallest angle. So let me say that this is the smallest angle. Which one? Let's consider A as the smallest angle, and this is the largest angle. Let's consider like this now, C as the largest angle. Is it okay? So let me say that angle A is equal to theta. Is it okay? Let me say the smallest angle is theta. Then angle C will be equal to what is it? 2 times angle A, that is equal to 2 theta. Angle A plus angle B plus angle C should be equal to 180 degree. So your theta plus angle B plus 2 theta should be equal to 180 degree. So your angle B should be equal to 180 degree minus of 3 theta. Is it right? 180 degree minus of 3 theta. Now the question is asking you to calculate, then the ratio of lengths of the sides of this triangle is dash, is the question asked. So we know the sine rule applied to the triangle. Now this concept is from the trigonometry applied to triangles, but it is clubbed along with AP, arithmetic progression. What is the sine rule? A divided by sine A, that is equal to B divided by sine B, that is equal to C divided by sine C. Small letter corresponds to the sides, capital letter corresponds to the vertices, should be equal to 2 times the circumradius. We know this, which implies to me that A is directly proportional to sine A, B is directly proportional to sine B, and C is directly proportional to what is it? Sine C. So we can write, because it is directly proportional now, 2 times what is that? Angle B is equal to sine of 180 degree minus of 3 theta, correct? Sine of B. B is directly proportional to sine of angle B, that is equal to sine of angle A is sine theta plus sine of angle C, that is C will be equal to sine C. Sine C is sine 2 theta. Is it right? Sine 2 theta. So sine of 180 degree minus 3 theta falls in the second quadrant. So sine of 3 theta, that is equal to sine theta plus sine 2 theta. Is it right? Sine 2 theta. So 2 times 3 sine theta minus 4 sine cube theta. Now slowly the problem is going to trigonometry. That is equal to sine theta plus 2 sine theta cos theta. Correct? 2 sine theta cos theta. So we can divide by sine theta throughout, and we can say 2 times 3 minus 4 sine squared theta, that is equal to 1 plus 2 cos theta. So I can say 6 minus 8 sine squared theta, that is equal to 1 plus 2 cos theta. So I can say 6 minus 8 times sine squared theta is 1 minus cos squared theta, that is equal to 1 plus 2 cos theta. Is it right? So 6 minus 8 plus 8 cos squared theta, that is equal to 1 plus 2 cos theta. Is it right? 1 plus 2 cos theta. So minus 2 plus 8 cos squared theta minus 2 cos theta minus 1, that is equal to 0. 8 cos squared theta minus 2 cos theta minus 3, that is equal to 0. If you take the sum and the product now, minus 2 and minus 24, minus 6 and plus 4. So your value of cos theta will be equal to, invert the sign of factors and divide by the coefficient of the highest degree term. So the answer to the question will be 3 by 4 and minus 1 by 2. Okay. But because the value of theta is lying in the first and second quadrant and we are looking for cos theta, sin theta cannot become negative, right, in the first and second quadrant. So negative value is to be neglected. So you just take the value of cos theta as 3 by 4. So now the question is asking you what is the ratio of sides of the triangle, right? Ratio of sides of the triangle will be A is to B is to C will be equal to A is to B is to C will be equal to A will be equal to sin theta is to B value will be equal to sin 3 theta is to sin 2 theta, correct or not? Sin 2 theta can be written as sin theta is to 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta is to 2 sin theta cos theta. So I can write sin theta, if I divide with 1 is to 3 minus 4 sin squared theta is to 2 cos theta, right? 2 cos theta. So I can also write, I'll write it here. I can also write this as 1 is to 3 minus 4 times sin squared theta can be written as 1 minus cos squared theta is to 2 cos theta. So the answer 1 is to 3 minus 4 plus 4 cos squared theta is to 2 cos theta, correct? So what is this answer that we get? 1 is to 4 cos squared theta minus 1 is to 2 cos theta. So your answer will be 1 is to 4 into cos squared theta. Cos squared theta will be equal to 9 by 16 minus 1 is to 2 into 3 by 4. So 1 is to 9 by 4 minus 1 is to 6 by 4. So your answer will be 1 is to 5 by 4 is to 6 by 4. So I can write 1 as 4 by 4. So the answer to the question will be 4 is to 5 is to 6. This is a very, very important question. Mark it.